Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the colors of taskbar, title bar, and window border on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, you have to be on your desktop. After that, you just right click anywhere. Now go to personalize. Then this open window will come up and go to colors. Then just scroll a bit down and you'll find choose your accent color. You can change the accent color from here and it will then change the color of your title bar, taskbar, as well as window. So just change it to anything. And as you can see, everything is changing except for the taskbar. To show the colors on the taskbar, just make sure to check this and this as well. Now, if you change it, the color on the taskbar will change as well. And if I open a window, as you can see, the window colors have changed as well. And if I click on this, the title bar, and open the window again, as you can see, the title bar color has changed as well. And basically, that is how to change the color of title bar, taskbar, and window borders on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.